Welcome back to Rare Oakleys, guys. We have an awesome episode today. You guys like X Metals, you guys like Juliets, you guys like vintage. Check, check, and check. Today we're going to be unofficially unboxing the very elusive and original polished with blue Iridium. And guys, you better thank me for this episode. You need to give us a thumbs up, and I'm going to tell you why. I searched for about 20 plus minutes to find the original box, so I found it. You're welcome. Before we check these out, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you never miss a future episode of Rare Oakleys. As always, check out our other videos. We have a ton of content that you're only going to see right here. I always tell you guys that. And also, make sure you check out the second best book ever written. I lived in a homeless shelter in high school and still managed to retire early at the age of 46. Listen, if I did it, you can do it. You can retire early too. Read my book. It's packed with tips and tricks on how to save money, and it's a great and fun and entertaining read, even if you're not a reader. In fact, even if you hate reading, you will still love this book, I promise you. Links are below in the description. Do not miss out on this. But Juliet's, X Metal Juliet's, of course, the proprietary titanium-based alloy forged at 3,600 degrees with a 450,000 watt generator using a golf club casting machine to create the frames for X Metals. How cool is that? Today, like I said, we got the polished with blue. I managed to locate the box, and you guys are reminiscent. You guys know about the old school Oakley box, of course, but here we got the SKU here right under the barcode. What is that? 04-117. You guys can look that up if you need to. You got the Juliet logo here along with the silhouette, right? Or the little diagram of the Juliets. And here it'll say X Metal polished with blue Iridium. And again, I had to search high and low for this box. I knew I had it somewhere, but what I typically do, and you guys can probably imagine, when I display the Oakleys, I'll put the box under that same display case, usually. Sometimes they get full, and we have to rearrange things. And this was crazy. The double wide where these are displayed is not full underneath. The storage is not full, so I don't know why. I have no idea why this box or how it got in the location it was. But I had to search I was literally on the verge of giving up. But I found the original box, which is awesome. So, oh, by the way, the serial number should be on there too, right? I think so. Come on in. Is that it right there? Let's take a look at that so you guys can see. What is that? 1, 2. Read it off, camera lady. What is that? 1, 2.
490.
Okay, 12490. All right, let's see if that's a serial number on the glasses. I didn't even check. It should be. All right, I bought these back in the day, and you can see this thing's a little bit floppy here. The X Metal coin is a little bit loose. It looks like it was taken out at some point. I don't think by me, but you also have to be careful. You guys are going to know this. The foam over the many, many years. Yeah, ooh, boy. Well, there goes the coin. The foam, it has deteriorated, and yeah, wow, look at this. It's getting sticky. Got some residue here. So we'll have to clean that up in a little bit. But be careful if you got these old boxes. I'm going to end up taking the foam out of here. You got the, what is this? Warranty registration card, I believe. Yep, warranty registration card. You got some other information in here, which, look at the foam. It's actually stuck to the 1-year warranty here. Yee. It's stuck on there. Give me a second. I'm going to peel some of that off. Wow. Yeah, it has a little bit of sticky residue. That's what happens to this foam. I wish they would have used, I don't know if there's a higher quality foam that will last over the decades. There may or may not be. I don't know. But I wish they would have used something else. Extra set of nose bombs and temple shocks so you can customize the fit of your Juliets. And here's what's left of the foam. You can see it's pretty beat up in there. But we'll take care of that here later. But here are the glasses. Now again, what was the serial number on there? It's on here. Right, 12490. Okay, let's check it. Let's check it out. Polished with blue. And you know, this blue Iridium is beautiful. It's got the gray base, and I say that because a lot of you are going to be familiar with blue Iridium from Gen 3, also known as the new M frames, where they had the VR28 base, where you had much higher light transmission. You could see your eyes from the outside world. This gray base is much darker, much lower light transmission. Beautiful blue hues, almost looks purplish from the side. But, oh wow, look at that. We got to clean the lenses a little bit too. And unfortunately, we don't have a bright sunny day, so I don't think the camera is going to adequately capture the blue hues here. Maybe it will a little bit, but there's also different batches of these blue iridiums. Some are a little bit of a slightly different color blue than others. And of course, these are still pretty tight. These have only been worn a handful of times. I want to say maybe less than a dozen times. All right, serial number here is right above my thumb, stamped or laser engraved on the inside of the left ear stem. We're going to try that, get that in focus. What does it say there? Can you read it? Can we zoom in on that? I'll put my fingers back there. Maybe we can get it. We should be able to get it. What does it say there? It should say JB for Juliet Blue. And what?
006504.
006504?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's not what was on the box. 6504. Hang on. So I guess we don't have the matching serial number on here. Or maybe we got another box somewhere. I'm sure we did, but all right, anyway, that's all right. We'll give you guys a close-up of these before ending the video. Just a classic pair of Juliet's X Metals. X Metals are always going to be awesome. And we're going to do some videos here in the near future where we're going to compare some Museum X Metal Mars to some original X Metals as far as their composition. So definitely hit that bell icon, guys, if you haven't done so yet. But yeah, I think you can pretty much see that beautiful blue hue from this angle here. Maybe we'll pause here shortly for a thumbnail. Let me give this back to my wife. Let me pause for a thumbnail because sometimes it's hard to get thumbnails. As always, thank you guys for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Do not forget to hit that bell icon, and we will see you next time on Rare Oakleys.